tell you something. You inspire people that act like they don't even see you. They pretending like they don't see you, but they watching you closely on your page and not clicking share. They just on your page and they not clicking comment. And they making sure they don't pocket comment. They making sure that they don't mistakenly hit.
Apartment made me heartless and cold. Yeah, had to take cold showers, I was freezing. One number of ice cubes in the freezer. Scraping the chain to get some food, one easy. Every other day was ramen noodles or the Caesars. When you ain't need how the fuck a nigga greeted. Hell yeah, I want it all, cause I ain't have it when I needed it. And I just want a ball, but I ain't made the team this season. Who the fuck can I call when my dogs and them need me? Yeah, yeah. Staying at that roller thinking about the time when I gave my last, when I ain't have none who gon' take care of mine. The problems you had, I had them too, but you would swear I'm lying. They fucked me up, I tried to tell looking in my children's eyes. Yeah, I made this shit look good. I blew up, tried to put on the whole hood. How much I did, I ain't doing no. They heard it said some niggas changing, we ain't good now. Yeah, I been working on trying to stay up by my feelings. When you emotional, then when shit get off.
Now it's out to Carmelo. Carmelo looking to become number 9 all time. He's got it. Passes below.
One number of ice cubes in the freezer. Scraping the chain to get some food, one easy. Every other day was ramen noodles on the Caesars.
Looking out the window trying to check the vibes. Seeing if it's safe.
Folk gotta work on your credit score. Ask my cousin Jennifer Bogan, who was the credit guru, bro.
Mama working late, nobody home with me. Every light on in the house because I couldn't sleep. Stomach grinding like a bitch, we ain't had shit to eat.
Pictures. If you're looking at, did you see the first two up over there?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you're looking at, let's say, the Country Air, which is number 1 up there, right?
Yes, sir.
You got, the floor plan, some great pictures and all that.
Okay.
And then what's...
The reason why me and this woman right here was able to acquire so much is because we both had good credit. Called me, asked you to help you with your credit, because obviously you tried to get some stuff and your credit wasn't going through. You just didn't know.
Niggas had to scrap a couple homies, now they no longer my niggas. Yeah. Now I done had to face some hard times.
At the front door here, and now you're just walking in. You got your drop zone, the whole thing, right?
Wow.
This is what it looks
like. Yeah. Ain't all them nights without no lights in that apartment made me heartless and cold. Yeah. Had to take cold showers, I was freezing. One number of ice cubes in the freezer. Scraping the chain to get some food, one easy. Every other day was ramen noodles on the Caesars.
Got a nigga with shit on credit report, she doesn't know where it come from. I'm like, shit, you don't know. She said, I know this one, that one. But the shit that she didn't know where it come from, that was the shit that was affecting her credit. Maybe she wanted to go sit down and get a brand new trailer like you, fat girl. You know what I'm saying? Or some brand new cars like you, Tony. But shit, everybody know best play over them folk money. But one thing you ain't gonna motherfucking do is play over my daddy name, bruh. Fuck the money, bruh.